Hi, Cougars. It's Mrs. Webb. I'm coming to you from my home. I'm staying home and staying safe just like you. I miss you and wish you were with me to do this experiment, but since I couldn't have you here, I invited my grandson, Kai, and he is FaceTiming me. He's staying home and staying safe, and we're going to do an experiment with you using water, okay? So the first thing you're going to need is a water bottle. And it can be either empty or full because you will fill it up all the way to the top. So you should take your label off if you've got a label on your water bottle and put it so that you can see through it. Kai, have you got your water bottle ready to go?
Yep.
Okay. The next thing you're going to need is a piece of netting or type of material that has kind of holes in it. So I'm using netting that you would find in a water filtration system, or you can use netting that like nylons your mom wears or your grandma wears, or Kai is going to test another material. He's going to test what's called gauze, and you would find that in a first aid kit. So something that kind of has holes in it. And you're going to take your netting and you're going to place it over the top of your water bottle, just like this. So you put it right over the top of your water bottle, and then take a rubber band and place the rubber band around the top of your water bottle, just like this, so that it's nice and tight over the top. Okay, I want you to take just a minute and I want you to make a prediction. Because remember, in science, we're always making predictions, and we call those a science word called a hypothesis. So we're making an educated guess about what we think is going to happen. You make predictions all the time when you read stories or when you watch a movie, and most of the time we just do it, we don't think about it. But this time I want you to think about a prediction. Okay, so the prediction is going to be, we are going to tip this water bottle over, and you want to have some place like your kitchen sink that you can use. So I'm going to use my kitchen sink right here. And you want to be able to have some place that you can tip it over and not get water everywhere. This is a great activity to do outside. Before you do that, run and ask your mom for some toothpicks like this that look just like this, okay? Kai, have you got your toothpicks? Can you show them to us? You got your toothpicks? Okay, you got your toothpicks, bag full of them. Okay, you're gonna want to use about 4 or 5 of them to try. You can use as many as you want, okay? So that's gonna be the second part of the experiment. First prediction you're going to make is, will my water pour out when I dump it over, when I tip it over in the sink? Second prediction, how many toothpicks can I get to stay in, and what will happen to the toothpick when I put it in? Okay, are you ready, Kai? Okay, on the count of 3, I want you to tip over your water bottle over the sink. 1, 2, 3. Oh, what happened? Did your water come out, Kai?
It started.
It started? Did it stop?
No.
It's still coming out? Don't squeeze it. Don't shake it. What happened?
Why is it coming out like that?
Show me. I can't see, Kai. Can you turn your computer?
Still coming.
Kai's is coming out, so maybe gauze. Oh, no, you got enough water in there. See, it's not coming out. Look. Yours looks like mine. It's not coming out. What is happening here? Why isn't the water pouring out? These are holes. If I touch it, I can make little drips come out. Why is the water staying in when nothing's touching it? What do you think, Kai?
Okay, I just answered this. I think pressure.
Pressure? Okay, I think you're right. It's called surface tension. Surface tension is keeping the water in. There is enough there to create tension, and gravity has something to do with that. Okay, now we're going to take a toothpick, and you're going to try to poke the toothpick up through. Now, you're going to probably get a little bit of water that comes in, but I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of cool. the toothpicks go up and they float right to the top. You do get it.
Put them all the way through?
Yeah, but you have to hold it upside down.
Oh.
Just like this. Let's see if you can see me, Kai. I'll put you right here. Okay, ready? So Kai's down below me so he can see. Okay, watch, Kai. So you put it up through, and you push it all the way through. And you do get a little bit of water that comes out, but if you can see, I've got 3 toothpicks that have floated to the top of my bottle. Can you see that? 3 toothpicks. So let's try another one. Ready? Go.
Now the water is coming out now.
A little bit of water's coming out. Every time you poke it through, you're going to get a little bit of water, but is all the water coming out?
No.
Are they floating to the top of your water bottle?
And the toothpick didn't go all the way through. Okay. How many do we need in here?
You can put as many as you want. You can keep doing it and see if it works every time. So usually scientists will test things multiple times, like 3 or 4 or 5. Once you feel like you've tested enough, then you can stop the test and maybe write some predictions about it and go tell somebody. They'll think you're magic. And you'll say, it's not magic. It's what, Kai? Not magic, it's?
Gravity.
Science or gravity.
Science.
Yes, good job, Kai. Thanks, Cougars.
Mine up like yours.
Mine
are all sideways.
Yours are all going sideways. Mine are sideways too. Can you see?
Oh, they used to be cool.
So they'll start out straight up and down, and then as they sit in the water for a little while and gravity takes over, they start to flatten out a little bit. Okay, Kai, can you say goodbye to all of the Hurricane Cougars?
Goodbye.
Thanks for sharing this science moment with us. Hopefully you'll keep curious and keep on doing experiments at home. I hope you enjoyed this. I miss you. Can't wait to see you.